Good day, everybody. This is Dr. Anthony Muhammad signing in from Houston, Texas, where I am with my PLC colleagues, Mike Mattos, and other PLC associates here delivering the message of the transformational power of the PLC process right here in Houston, Texas. This PLC train is coming to Detroit, Michigan, August 6th, 7th, and 8th, where I'll be speaking along with my colleagues Mike Mattos, Tim Brown, Dr. Cruz. We're going to rock the house. And I want my home state of Michigan to represent. So if you have not registered at this point, what are you waiting on? Go to www.solutiontree.com and click on the Detroit PLC Institute. That's August 6th, 7th, and 8th. And I want an audience full of Michiganders looking up at me in Cobo Hall this August, so we can bring the transformational power of PLC to all of the precious children of the great state of Michigan. Michigan's my home. Michigan's where I was born. It's where I'm going to die. And there's no state I'd rather speak in than my home state. So I'm looking forward to connecting with all of you this upcoming August. So make sure you go and register, and we can show the rest of the country how Michigan does it.